And here's Mom and Dad's road. Not bad up through here. Kind of muddy. But the little bridge is probably not passable. In fact, I don't even think I'd want to try it. It looks like it washed out the edgings. Yeah. The slab's still there, but it looks rough. Creek's flowing nicely. There's Mom and Dad's. And goats. There's dogs barking. Might be a day or two before they get out. Hopefully this will go down by tomorrow. Oof. Normally, yeah, you could walk across this without even getting my feet wet. Not today.
This is James Marshall with your Creek and River Report.